guys, myself Hania, and I'm a top grader, and I'm a fresher student of PMC, and I am preparing for my NMDCAT 2022, which is going to be conducted on upcoming September. And for my preparation, I joined TopGrade. Why I joined this app? The answer to this question is that firstly, I listened the review of a top grader topper of 2021, and today I'm here to share my experience with you with this application. Guys, I want to say this is an amazing application, and you can find your video lectures, recorded lectures, and then slides from that lecture, and you can even take test about that certain topic. And the detail of any MCQ is also given, and this is so helpful for any student that. Student can see why is MCQ is right or wrong, and all the information related to that topic. And another interesting feature is that time is also mentioned above, and you can learn how to manage your time for any given MCQ that attempted MCQs in 40 seconds, 50 seconds, or how many seconds I take for any MCQ. And the teachers available are Dr. Muazzam Manzoor, Professor Shujat Raza, and Sir Muhammad Ali. All these teachers are have all of these teachers teach us in the best manner. And guys, now I tell you about top grade system, and the fee is also reasonable for any student, and I suggest you and recommend you top grade because a free trial is also available. You can take your free trial, and then you should decide whether you should join it or not. And this is the best platform for any PMC student. And because of its features I have already discussed, I got 1045 marks in my metric, and now I am preparing my MDCAT, and I choose top grade for my preparation. And